welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing of my Fabfitfun. I really don't have a lot of time to do this, but I want to get into the products, but I wanted to show you guys first. I did skip the fall box. I did not like anything that was in it, but they definitely redeemed themselves for this winter box. I can tell you that I received the exact variation that I wanted, because you know, like Fabfitfun does give like different products. Everybody could get something different. You could also choose a few products. So I'm gonna turn this camera around, show you what I got. All right guys, so as you can see, I have my Fabfitfun box right here. I'm actually gonna show you my add-ons first. Now the first add-on is this candle from Jonathan Adler. I couldn't make up my mind between the slippers and this candle. I think that was the option. I was able to add this for the 15 bucks. Now the value of this is $48 and it is a very large candle. It's 11 ounces. I think this is the perfect gift. Really love the way this candle looks. It's a very pretty jar. It's a ceramic jar, and when the candle is all used up, this ends up becoming like a storage little cup. Okay, now getting to some of the products that were actually from the add-on sale. The first thing is this Mint Pear Fresh Cucumber Witch Hazel Facial Toner. I've never heard of the brand, but I really do enjoy facial toners. And this is supposed to be pretty good for oily skin. I think I got this for like $5 or $7. I also purchased these Busy Beauty Instant Fresh Body Wipes. They're individually wrapped and there's 10 wipes in here. I got these for $5. I love these body wipes. If you haven't seen my last video, I just uploaded a Black Friday haul and I talk about the Uni body wipes. I love them and these are similar to them. From Daily Concepts, I purchased a konjac sponge. Now this is the turmeric one. I haven't tried this one, but I love their konjac sponges and I got this for $5. I love using these for removing my clay masks or any kind of mask, and my skin really shows a difference. Also from Daily Concepts, I got a mesh sponge. I've never seen a mesh sponge from this brand, so I saw that it was $5 and figured, why not? Let me try it. It's very large, so I thought it was worth a shot. I never have too many brow gels, and that's what this is. From Beautinique Beauty, this is a clear fill and tame brow gel. It is a really cute little package in here. I believe it has a little brush. I'm not gonna open it. I don't want it to like dry out or anything, but it has a very small brush. It's not one of those large mascara looking brushes. And then the last add-on was this PYT Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss. This is awesome. You have to see this packaging. The packaging is a very like matte feeling, I don't know, it feels almost like textured. It's really cool. And then as you can see, it has like a clear lip gloss applicator. That's it for my add-ons. I am going to get into the actual box now. I love the inside of the box. It definitely screams winter and Christmas and the holiday season. I think it is adorable. Even like all around the box has all these little scenes. I think it's adorable. So always when you open your box, you have like some pamphlets. You have your Fabfitfun book. Now, I totaled all the products that are in my box, and my value is $286.94. And that's not including my add-ons, you know, because I feel like I have some added value with the add-on. This little pamphlet here says, pass this on to a friend who would love Fabfitfun. And it says, take a moment for yourself. Get started with $15 off your first box. I couldn't believe that I got the products that I wanted. I was so shocked. So I'm gonna show you first what everybody was receiving. This is a very large, very cozy blanket. This is from a brand called Unhide Little Marshmallow. Stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket, and it's valued at $65. That's crazy expensive, but I do know that this is a very large blanket. My dog is gonna take this blanket over. Every time I get a blanket or a scarf from a Fabfitfun, she just takes it over. Like right now, she is sleeping on one of my Fabfitfun scarves. This is a 50 by 60 blanket. This feels so good. Oh my God, I can't even stop touching it. The other product that everybody was receiving was the makeup eraser in original pink. I actually have never had the original makeup eraser. I have had like, you know, knockoffs, but I've never had the real one. I've tried it. They've sent like little sample cloths before in subscription boxes, but never the large size. This is valued at $20, and it says, from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. What I love to do is take my makeup off with like the micellar water, but I actually put it on the cloth, and it works so much better than just a cotton pad. And it's really large. I did not even realize that it was this big. Then it looks like everybody was receiving this Cuccio Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hands and Body Wash. It says, calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. They say that this is valued at $39.95. That's insane. So $40 for this is crazy. It better be like a miracle worker. Now, my husband already claimed this. This is going to be his body wash. So he already claimed it, which is fine. I do love to give him some products from my boxes that I know he would use. And this is one of them. This is another product everybody was receiving, and I was super excited because Drybar is a really expensive brand, and I have not tried much from them. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. I could always use a good detangler because my hair gets so knotty. This is valued at $23, and it says this lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees and leaves hair soft and conditioned. I picked these slippers. I could not even resist these. I already threw out my old ones, but these are super cute. You were also able to choose between this Erno Laszlo clay mask, the Kate Somerville goat milk moisturizer, this little hat set with arm warmers. You could have also picked this shampoo and conditioner set from R&Co, and this Lashes MD. This is like a eyelash serum. These slippers are from a brand called PJ Salvage faux fur cable slippers. They're valued at $45. I've never had slippers that were $45. These feel incredible. So you were able to choose your size. It was either small, medium, or medium large. So I got the medium large because I'd rather them be a little bit bigger than too small. I am a size 8, sometimes, you know, 7.5, 8. Now, what I absolutely love about these is that it has like a rubber sole. It's not fabric so that you slip and slide. I hate slippers that you can like break your neck when you're walking. So I think these are definitely worth it. Another choice product was between this Adore bracelet. It's the Adore by Swarovski Organic Circle Bracelet in Rose Gold. This is valued at $39. Now, it was between this or lashes or this Rhodile Illuminating Highlighting Glow Drops. Obviously, I really don't need any other like highlighting makeup products. I don't wear lashes, so I thought the bracelet was the best bet. They also had like a shower speaker. So just to show you, they had like a shower speaker. This is the bracelet. They had lashes, and they had these glow drops. And these are some of the products that were in the box. I really wanted this color switch. I've heard great things about this Vera Mona one. I have an Ulta Beauty one, which works great. So I always wanted to get a backup. This is valued at $16.99, and again, it's just like what it says. It's an instant brush cleaner. And the last product, which I did not even think I was gonna get lucky enough to get this, was this Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I definitely didn't think I was gonna get this. This is valued at $38. It says effortlessly create day to night looks with 5 matte and 4 shimmer shades. Plus the palette is hard pressed for minimal fallout. Now it does not have a mirror, which I'm like, I don't know. I wish it had a mirror, but I'm okay with that. You know, I really don't mind it. I don't really use the mirrors on the palettes all that much. These are the shades. These are right up my alley. I really love these neutral shades. That is everything in my Fabfitfun, plus my add-ons. Let me know down below in the comments if you received the winter Fabfitfun, and let me know what you think. Again, the value of my box is $286.94, and that's for all of these products in here. Get your first box for $39.99. I believe $10 off. I'll have a link down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Keep a lookout for my upcoming unboxing videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.